western Muskogee County in west central Georgia, until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Columbus, Bibb City, Columbus Metropolitan Airport, Fortson, Laurel Hills, Kenwood, Flat Rock, Edgewood, Green Island Hills, Highland Park, Rose Hill, Vista Terrace, Mulberry Grove, St. Mary's Hills, Avondale, Midland, Catawba, Benning Park and Carter Acres. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.